In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix lagging while scrolling on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings app. Now head over to the option battery. Now click on the option battery mode, then disable for the option adaptive power. This can help prevent your iPhone from lowering the display refresh rate and may improve scrolling performance. Next, head back to the main page of settings and navigate to the option accessibility. Click on the option display and text size. Here you're going to find the option of reduce transparency. Toggle on for this option. Then you can head back. Now scroll down and click on the option motion. Here you're going to find this option reduce motion. Toggle on for that option. Likewise, toggle on for the option limit frame rate. Then you can head back. Click on the option touch. Click on haptic touch and check in for the option default or fast to make your iPhone feel more responsive during everyday use. With these settings, your problem might be fixed. If not, you want to force restart your device. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone restarts, check the software update for your device. For that, launch settings. Head over to the option general, click on software update. If any new updates are available for your device, just update it. Next thing you want to do is head back. Go to the option iPhone storage. Ensure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Try to keep at least 10 GB of free storage available for the best overall performance. Likewise, head back. Scroll down and head over to the option VPN and device management. If you are connected to any VPN service, disable it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.